Hello everybody, it's Kumar here. Today I'm only going to how to repair your corrupted flash drive and memory card and hard disk without using any software, only using command prompt. How is it? First you insert your USB flash drive, you see in this message. What is this? It is Microsoft Windows can't format your USB flash drive and can't access your USB flash drive message. The next message is you if you eject your USB flash drive, you see in this message, it is your USB flash drive corrupted message. How to fix this? First you go to start, then type on CMD and type on command prompt and run as admin. Now open the command prompt window, then type following command, then type on disk part. The disk part now open, then type on list disk. First you choose your the USB flash drive disk. I use my 8GB USB flash drive, so I use my disk 1. Then type on select disk 1. Then first you see in your disk detail and type on detail disk. You see in your disk detail, and next you select your detail, your disk volume, the type on select volume. To select volume 3 is my USB flash drive. The type on detail volume. You detail your volume on type on detail partition. You see your detail disk detail partition and note your partition number. My disk partition number is 1. The next type on select volume 3. Type on the first cleaning your current partition and type on cleaning this disk, and you creating a new partition on your disk, then type create partition primary. If I successfully creating your format primary, then next active this partition, type on active. You active this format and check. The next you select your partition and type select partition 1. Select the partition, then active this partition. Active partition is active. The next type on format your flash drive, then type format fs is equal to fat 32 and type quick. This make a few minutes to format your USB flash drive. Then your USB flash drive successfully formatted. Then assign your USB flash drive, then type on assign. You assign your flash drive new autoplay messages is your new removal disk and your new volume letter. Then type exit and type on exit. The next you see your part disk details. Now normally open your disk. You check your needs and copy any files or folders to send it to this. Then open now and eject. Normally ejecting your USB flash drive. Then guys, I type on following commands on command prompt in commands details which been given below this video. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.